good morning. Oh my gosh, I am up early today. Right now I'm running to the mall. I'm running to go get my car tires redone. One of them actually has a flat. I have some stuff to return at Macy's. I've actually been doing a lot of shopping at Macy's. They've been having like a lot of good finds, but actually when I bought these pieces it was right like that August time where it's still hot. But now that September is here, I really don't need these kind of summer clothes. I want to do more fall, and I'm gonna actually definitely do a haul for you guys because we've been sleeping on Macy's. Macy's has a lot of cute stuff actually, so I'm gonna go return some things and get more things. And then there's these shoes that I've been dying to go get. And you know when you like a pair of shoes and you can't stop thinking about them, and then you're like, okay, well I don't need them. I started talking myself out of them, and then I'm like, wait, but I really do need them. So I'm gonna go run to the mall, see if they have my shoes. I also want to get some other random stuff like makeup wipes and stuff for the house. So I'm running out now. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so let's go. All right guys, so I'm on my way, and I'm realizing that I'm actually enjoying doing like car vlogs because this is a time when I could just sit and talk to you guys. But I need a car mount, so I think I'm gonna check Amazon. I have it up on this tripod thing in the car. If you guys can see the setup, it's so ghetto, but it's what I'm gonna do for now. And I don't really have anything crazy to do today. The house is nice and quiet, like the kids went to school. I'm like, I don't know what to do with myself. It's so nice. I'm like, wait, we could just run out and just chill, hang out, maybe go to Nordstrom Rack. Alright guys, so I am back home now. I am relaxed. I had to grab something to eat and just woosah for a minute. I did a lot at the mall. Just to show you guys exactly what I got so that you could see what I was buying and stuff like that, because I didn't really get a chance to record everything I wanted to in the stores, so I figured I'd just show you when I got home. So I got the sandals that I originally went out for. This was the first store I actually went into, and I'm not even gonna tell you about their customer service. It was not the best. I mean, usually when you go into a store, don't they like stop at the front and say, you know, 1 second please, let me help these people. I'm not allowed to put too many people in the store. They didn't do any of that. They didn't even make eye contact. So much so that after I left the store, everybody on the line was like, oh, we're together, we're family. They were total strangers. They were just like, look, we're not waiting for you to have 2 people in the store. It was too much. Who has time for that? I was waiting online for like 20 minutes. I was so annoyed. But anyways, this is them. And I know you guys have seen these sandals all over. I've actually wanted these for like a month now, and I ordered them, but then when they tried to deliver them, I wasn't home and they got sent back to the store. So I just wait till I came back from Jamaica to just cop them. Because if you're still thinking about it, I'm big on that. I try not to make rash decisions, especially when buying and purchasing. Does it always work? No, I'm not gonna lie to you. No, it does not always work. But these I've been thinking about for at least a month now, and I was like, all right, you know what? If you're still thinking about them, go get them. So I got them in the blue. I would have loved them in the gray, but they were sold out of the gray ones. But it's fine because you could always use blue, especially with jeans and stuff for the fall or summer or whatever. So I got these actually in a 9. They do run small, and I'm loving these. I can rock them with jeans and a shirt, you know, every day, but still look cute. Now I can sleep at night. Now I can rest assured that I copped my Z-Way sandals because these bad boys have been on my mind. So after I finished getting that, I walked past and I was like, you know, there's really nothing else that I want. You know, I don't really need anything else. I'm good, I'm good. And then I got a winter coat. And I did not mean to get a winter coat. I'm being honest with you. I just went in there because I'm like, oh, you know, they have really cute coats, especially for the winter. I don't even know if I need a winter coat, honestly, but I know I didn't have this color. So I was like, you know what? Let's just get ready for winter. I mean, yeah, fall's here, but let's get ready for winter too while we're at it. So I got this bad boy. Super cute, comfortable. I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Okay. I thought it was just so cute. I needed it in my life. It's very tempering. It's flattering. I wanted something that was gonna, you know, kind of slim me out a little bit. The hood was super cute. And it has like this little piece right here. This, I guess this little, they called it a toggle. So you can just put it like right here, and it has this little, you know, this little button piece. You put it right here and you can rock it like that. Oh, I thought it was super cute. I don't have anything like this, and it was really comfortable, warm, but it's not too heavy. I didn't want anything too heavy, but you know, just something cute. And I don't have anything this color, so and yeah, I got it. And then since I was already on a steady decline for the rest of the day, because I already got the sandals and I got the coat, and then I was like, you know what, let's just top it off with a bag. So the bag I have, guys, is huge. I wanted something smaller, something, you know, like, you know, little that I can rock and wear, and you know, when I don't feel like having that heavy bag with me. So I got a smaller bag, which is this bad boy. How cute is this? I loved this. It came with this one or red at the top, but I kind of like the little pop of red here. I wanted something with red. Let me show you how it hits as a crossbody. I am 5'3", and it's a little bit short as a crossbody, but I kind of like it. It kind of fits like right here as a regular shoulder bag, and then if I want to wear it as a crossbody, it'll fit right here. I thought it was super cute. I needed a regular bag, and then if I want to wear it on my arm, wear it right here. I love the versatility of this bag. I wanted something small. I really need to step up my small game bag because right now I have a whole lot of big bags, and when I'm shopping it just weighs on my soul. So look at the inside. It has a little area right here for like your phone or whatever, and then it has a little zipper part right here. So okay, so that's my luxury unboxing. I did a lot. Right now I'm going to record a few more videos for you guys, definitely tonight, and put this stuff away. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day, and as you can see, I'm all dressed, ready to go. I actually have an eyelash fill appointment, so I'm gonna be going there, and then I'm actually going to the city to see my girl Khadijah's shop. I mean, she's gotten a lot done with it, and we just wanna go and see how it's going. She actually has her grand opening coming up soon, and it's opening in Harlem. So we're very proud of her. We wanna go support, see how the shop is coming along, maybe get something to eat in the city while we're out there. And you know, just spend the day together. I mean, I don't really have a plan, just as long as my eyelashes get done, because girl, getting these eyelashes done is not cheap. So you know, after you go like past 3 weeks, 2 weeks, it gets crazy. You might as well buy a full set all over again. So I kind of try to want to make sure that I'm staying up on my fills, because I never do. This is actually the first time I'm actually getting a full in, because all the time I always let it go past the 3 weeks and then I end up just buying a whole new set. But I actually like how the person I found is doing them. So you okay? Come in.
Hi.
She starts school soon. She's leaving us. We had a good summer though, right? All right, guys, so let me just show you quickly my outfit of the day. So I'm rocking this little acid wash jumper that I got from Nordstrom Rack, I think. It's super cute. I'm just gonna wear it with like a little sandal. And guys, don't get me wrong, I am so ready for fall. I cannot wait for jeans and, you know, the little denim jackets and stuff to come out. But right now it's still kind of hot actually. So I rushed it the other day and threw on this denim long sleeve dress and was dying. I couldn't breathe. It was hot. So it's all right. I'm channeling my summer vibes right now. So, you know, I'm always late. So I'm going to be rushing out now to go get my eyelashes done, and I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, so I just called my eyelash lady. Apparently she's still running late, so and I have so many to record and show you guys. Like I want to do a skincare routine. Like I've been really like, you know, getting some stuff for my face, making sure it's together, trying to even it out, and you know, combat aging and, you know, collagen, stuff like that, retinol, things that I've been just using and loving. So I just really want to share that with you. I've actually been doing like a lot more shopping at Macy's, surprisingly, and I know what you guys are thinking. Like when I would think about Macy's, I'm like, you know, Macy's, you gotta go in there and search. But sometimes with these online stores, and not all of them, some of them have really good quality. Some of them I'm like spending so much money and I could only wear a rock at one time, or you know, the quality isn't as, you know, great as I would have liked or what I saw online. So I'm actually the kind of person who actually goes into a fitting room and tries on their clothes. And I don't know, I've been getting some cute pieces from Macy's, nothing crazy, you know, like a little jacket here, a pair of jeans there, you know, some shoes, some boots. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I want to do a Macy's haul for you guys. So I just got a lot of stuff that I am interested in, you know. Hey guys, so I'm finally here in the city and I'm gonna go check out my girl's shop. I'm so proud of her. Her grand opening is supposed to be the beginning of October, so we're about to see what's going on in this shop, and it looks so good. Girl, this looks so good. Look at this black wall. Yep, so we are here in Sidditty Hair Studio. Y'all, do you remember when we first came in here with just a blank open like space. What? She did her floors. I cannot wait for this grand opening. It's gonna be so good. I am so proud of you. Look so good in here. Girl, have you started seeing clients already?
Yes, I did.
What? Oh my goodness. Hey, Joe. I'm like, where are you? I'm loving this. Especially black owned. It's your first business. Y'all, and even this hair right here, my girl hooked me up. And look at the texture in it. It's like a kinky straight, I'm telling you guys. So now seeing the shop, it's like really coming together. Before, the floors were like brown color. She stained it black. You know, just little things like the sign. I'm loving this glass wall. This glass wall should be the spot where, you know, after they finish like their hair, they take pictures. She has her chairs already. The sinks are gonna go right here. She has her booths and everything. And y'all, look at this bathroom. 3 years. It's been 3 years and we saw the growth. And now she has her own shop. So I'm really proud.
It's been stressful, but when everything is done, like when you see all your work, hard work, it's so satisfying. Like getting everything together, talking to different vendors, shipping's not coming. Like I'm still waiting on my sinks.
He's so cute. They're giving out little puppy treats. Hi, baby.
What kind of? He's a
pig. I'm telling you, she does like eye waxing, she does braids, she does weave, she does it all, and then I guess everybody else that she rents out to will do something different so that, you know, when you leave here, you leave right and your hair is done, you feel good. She was in our 2-bedroom apartment and, you know, we were just doing it. So I'm so proud of you. No, seriously. So guys, check her out. I'm gonna leave everything down below. Khadijah, girl, are you selling these glasses too?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, how much are they going for?
35.
These are cute. Hold on a second. Oh, these are cute. Oh, look, they come in pink too. Y'all know I'm always looking for glasses. I never wear my glasses because they're ugly. I'm not gonna lie, they're ugly. Y'all, I'm supposed to be showing you guys the shop and I'm shopping. These are cute. Okay, wait, hold on. I think I need the red. I love the fact that she did this. This is her her idea to do like a little station for the dogs. So you get to meet the people in the neighborhood. You know, everybody loves their dog. They want to bring their kids and stuff like that. That's a great idea. Alright guys, so we gotta congratulate this girl and go get something to eat. I'm starving. All I had today was like cereal. Alright, give me a minute. So we're gonna go find something to eat. Oh, look, she has her flyers up. Okay guys, so I'm back, I'm home. I already showered, got ready for bed because guys, you saw what was going on in the city. No one was social distancing, they didn't have their mask on, they were in the parks till late, like there was a lot going on. So I had to come in, get right in the shower, leave my shoes at the door and just run in the shower. So right now I'm actually gonna do some editing. Dinner was phenomenal. I mean, it was really, really good. And the drinks has me like, you know, good. So right now I'm gonna do some editing, relax. All the kids are gone because, you know, everybody has school and starting school and everything like that. So it's quiet, happy. I'm gonna get a lot of work done. So as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe at the bottom, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.